Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. The first one, a super motorbike, yellow color. The next one, cement mixer truck, Okay, the next one. For this one, I don't know its name. If you know, please write down. Okay, the next one. A nice bulldozer. Okay, the next one. How about this one, everybody? Yellow supercar. How about this one? Green bus. Okay, how about this one? Forklift. Monster truck. White color. Okay, everyone. So now let's move to another one. How about this one? Excavator. Mini excavator. Green color. Another cute excavator. Orange color. How about this one? Bulldozer. Monster truck, green color. How about this one, everybody? Four-wheel motorbike. Crane. How about this one? Mini airplane. A nice airplane. How about this hero? Captain America. How about this one? Oh, everybody, this one is a broken cement mixer truck. You can see only 3 wheels. 1, 2, 3. 3 wheels. How about this one, everybody? Tank truck. Okay, tank truck. Everybody, let's move to another truck, and I will check and show you supercar green color. Off-road car. Racing car, green color. Okay, now check the next one. Police car, green color. Everybody. Tank truck. Okay, tank truck. How about this one? Pink super motorbike. This one is also a racing super motorbike. Police car, yellow color. Everyone. How about this one? Mini airplane. A logistic truck. How about this one? Bus. This one is a short bus. Let the truck red color. I'll check the last one. How about this one? Ambulance. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching this video. If you love, please click a like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now, thank you. See you again next time. Goodbye. Good luck.